Hello everyone, I am Yash Patel and welcome to my channel Django World. So in today's video, we are going to fix this blog list. Okay, so we implemented this blog list in our blog detail page. If I show you the code, so I will just close this terminal and I'll go to blog detail, and here you can see with, with this for loop we have iterated the blocks, but we are not able to see those blocks. Okay, because we have just converted our function based view to class based view, so we are not able to see those things. So now we will just remove this class based view. We don't need this, and we will enable this. Now here, instead of slug URL, we will just write slug. Okay, now go to urls.py, and here we will remove this as view function, and here this slug is correct. Now if I come over here and refresh, you can see we have got this blog list. Okay, and we can see only 10 blogs over here because we have limited it over here. You can see this. Okay, so now quickly I will just remove the commented code. We don't need this code anymore, so I will just clean up the code. Okay, so yeah, we have removed all the commented code from the mains views.py. Now we'll go to accounts views.py, and here we will remove this function based view, login function based view, then our logout function based view, profile, and yeah, this is it. So in next video we will be implementing this comment blog. Okay, not post blog, sorry. So in next video we are going to see that how we can comment in a particular blog. So yeah, this is it for today's video guys. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in next one. Thank you.